Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. We are back with the close-up coins game. There's going to be 6 coins in this video, and all you need to do is comment below what commemorative designs you think they are. Unfortunately, no prizes for this one, but again, it is just a little bit of fun, and also you may find out some new coins as well that you may never have seen before. All of these coins, though, were released in UK circulation, and we have indeed used the Andon Star to get super close up with these. I'm not being too mean with this one. I could definitely zoom in a lot more, but hopefully using the new Andon Star, the quality of this whole video section will get a bit better. So it is going to be on loop so you can concentrate in the background without me talking. Again, comment your 6 guesses in the comment section below. We'll go through all of the answers when I get back from work on Friday, and I think that'll be a nice way to start off the weekend. Again, a huge shout out and a thank you for all of the support as always. Flying towards 26,000 family strong, and I do indeed think we'll be there come the end of the week. After this video, we are going to be doing back-to-back 50p coin hunts. Hopefully we can find some nice commemoratives in those, and then a few review and evaluation videos as always to get us through the evening. Best of luck to everyone playing along on this month's guest stands coin as well. The first guest stands coin of the month has just gone up. Definitely do head over and check that out. And again, congratulations to last month's winners, Andy Vickers and Terence Day. Some great guessing from you both. Good luck then, stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.